abangani nabangane lapho sikhulume zabantu yabe segudwini
Welcome to Enkundleni Exclusive, proudly brought to you by Deb3 Events. Sikhona lapha at Deb3 Studios, Bulawayo. Guys, my name is Nondo Duzongube, and this is one of the exciting episodes as Enkundleni. And before we get to that, nxa ule event, siyakwazi bakithi siya kusama, people are planning events. So if you have an event, be it any type of event, a family event, corporate, social, community, church, political event, get in touch with Deb3 Events. Utholeke a stage for hire, utholeke a sound system, photography and videography services, LED screens. Ungakuqamba nje konke kunengi kuyatholakala khona lapha eDeb3. So get in touch using the contacts on your screen. Ngihamba le guest namhlanje. That's why I said today's episode is one of the exciting episodes. Nabantu bemzini yabathanda. Today we are with Black Heat. Ushap.
Yeah, mina nishapo kakhulu.
Iskibani.
Yeah. Hayi, angicomplain kangako.
Uyazi ukuthi khona lapha kade futhi ukukhuluma ngeskipa lesi but we'll get to that.
Okay.
We'll
yeah.
get to that.
Okay,
So
no problem.
like siyawamukela Enkundleni Exclusive.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu ukuba khona lapha enkundleni, one of the biggest shows that I've ever come across so far this year, and it's such a pleasure and honor for me to be part of this kind of movement today.
So I hope ababukeli bazwile. Kuthiwe it's one of the biggest. One of the biggest. So we
Yeah.
are one of the biggest podcasts khona lapha koBulawayo in Zimbabwe. So make sure ukuthi you are always glued to that screen. So I was checking your portfolio, your profile, I mean, before singakakhulumi ngento eziningi, and you seem to be doing a lot of things. I saw something to do with music.
True that.
I saw something to do with the training of you into sports as well, isn't it?
Yes. I am into sports or serious.
Okuzwayo ayikhona ukudlala.
Yeah. Full force.
Then ngase mbona le ngibona ukuthi lapha ezandleni ziyabuya la.
Yeah, as you mentioned, dude, I'm into sport as well. So I'm a fitness trainer, I'm a boxing coach, I'm a former boxer, I'm a referee or boxing as well. So I'm a coach football, soccer. Yeah. Coach football lapana. I'm a fitness trainer foot in that same area, in that same field. I'm a physiotherapist as well.
You lie.
So yeah. So yeah, when it comes to sport, ngingathi these are the things that I normally do. So for him, mostly I love doing sessions away recovery, like preparing players away bora awami. Like for example, as you mentioned, this T-shirt. I'm a physiotherapist. I'm a medic. At the same time, I'm a fitness trainer for Zebras. Zebra Revolution. Yona le supplier Highlanders ngama players for at some point.
Okay.
The current player that is regarded as one of the best Highlanders is from the team that I am currently serving as a head coach at. I mean,
Wow.
not as a head coach, as a fitness trainer at, and as a medic and physiotherapist at.
Nice. Sisazobuya khona lapho ekuthini ukwenza njani, because it seems like it's a lot for one person.
Yeah.
Sisazobuya khona lapho. Now guys, let me remind you, as you see, I'm dressed up in work stuff. So as we continue, let me remind you that you can get your cars washed at Royal Shine Car Wash along 4th Street between Connaught and Masocha Avenue. And the opening times are 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. sembuyela kuwe.
Yeah.
Let's talk about the music. Siqale nge-music.
Okay.
Okay. I'm sure ababukeli, they are quite interested in knowing the kind of music, the genre, music yakho lokuthi ivelela ngaphi kahle kahle, what inspires you in all that.
Okay, yeah. Right. At this present moment, I think now we are touching very the heart of it all, how it all began, and the reason why into izinto eziningi zangikhona zona lezi engizenzayo. Number one, firstly, mina that's the only way I get to express myself in a better way. So what I do what I branded as Qiniso Rap. So Qiniso Rap meaning to say anything that is the truth, anything that is conscious, yiyo into engidila ngayo kakhulu. So you can as well find ukuthi kule counseling through my music. There is motivational speaking through my music. There is advocacy futhi khona laphayana. So there is even Christianity, as in gospel, preaching the word of God through the same music. So konke khona lokhuyana, I think it sums up to i-character yami ukuthi mina ngumuntu onjani exactly, and lezinye izinto ukuthi ngiziviewa njani. For example, kungenzakala something, mina how I act, I don't usually react. I actually act. At some point, you take a back step, you analyze, and then you see, this thing is supposed to be handled this way. And then now, I put it on paper and on records. Sembonile mina ngeyami indlela ukuthi, but I think if this thing is done this way, sonke siyakwanisa ukuthi sibe better people, better nation. So at this present moment, there is a track that I'll be releasing. It's called Lovable. Lovable is a track that was produced by you, Ali Keys from Family Tree, and it features Agenda Maposa. It's Agenda Jonathan Maposa. Agenda is an artist from here, Ngwabulawayo futhi as well. So the art part of it, ihamba ngezinto engizivonayo mina ngila ngeview yami. So I'm currently working on a project. I don't know ukuthi ngizayenza ibe yi-album kumbe ibe yi-EP, and that project is titled Give That Boy Child a Chance. Yeah.
Okay, so ngezinye indlela music kuwe, it has a deeper meaning. And I think from what you're saying, we say it's Qiniso
Rap, yes.
Qiniso Rap,
Yes,
isn't it?
yeah.
So I think from what you're saying, ukuthi uyabukhuluma amaqiniso, and the fact ukuthi kuhamba ngezinto ezenzakalayo, real life experiences. So I think it rhymes with the name, is it?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so ngicela ukubuza ukuthi khona kuqalise nini? Kuqalisele ngaphi khona lokho?
Okay, like the music part, it was on 19 March 2006.
2006.
Yes, I'm not sure if it was Monday or Wednesday.
2006.
Yeah, true that. So, when I started that journey, kwakuyi inspiration like mina ngikhule ngilalela even the guys like uZola. Zola is an artist that is in my heart. Tupac, same story. So those guys ungananzelela lapho, they are more into consciousness. Uzola is more into consciousness. Tupac was very revolutionary. Because ungena khona the part of advocacy. And then kube sekungena the part of being street smart and socially active at the same time. So it was driven by the likes of Abu Tupac. So I started doing music. Ulalela bona laba, those guys beku inspire. At some point, ungakabi kwazi ukubhala ama lyrics, you would bite one or two things from those artists, and then ukufake kuwe. So to me, it became easier to even write my own songs. Ngoba ngazi ngithi ngingabhala maybe uthathe ungathi first line ufakele kaZola lapha. Then in the moment usufakele kaZola, to build up from there uyabe usugain momentum when it comes to writing. So uthola ukuthi after some time ngizathi hayi but le yinto yomnikazi, then I eliminate that line semfaka something new, already ibody the structure sengilaso. Yabo. So but all in all, still the way those guys they were doing it, yiyo indlela mina lami eyangi-inspire ukuthi no, since these guys are doing it America lase SA, we can as well do it here.
Okay. But your 2006, that's 10 years now, isn't it?
20.
2006, not 16.
Yeah.
How old are you? What? Okay, no, because in my mind, I'm thinking 2016, I'm thinking 10 years. And now,
Okay.
now city 20. So, I'm click no, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I won't tell him.
Okay, I won't disclose.
But I'm wondering. Okay, now, so you're saying, give the boy child
A chance.
a chance.
Yes.
I'm getting the message, but I'm not getting the message.
Okay.
What's going on? Give the boy
Okay.
child a chance.
Right. Now, I'm a coach, as I said, and so the first team that I started coaching, new head coach we academy, kuthiwa Sibanye Academy.
But
Sibanye.
Sibanye.
Academy. Yes, from Culture Park. So that academy
what does the academy do?
is soccer.
Okay.
Again, girls soccer.
Okay.
So I'm training ladies. Gusibanye, I'm a head coach there. I'm a fitness trainer. I am a physiotherapist. It's me. It's all on me there, right? So I then began to understand that yes, a girl child sesimnikile attention, but at the same time, ngathi we are suppressing the boy child kakhulu. Why so? Asike singene vele ku crucial part of it. Like there are some issues of gender-based violence, and so gender-based violence liyana mostly siyabe sikhala sithi idalwa ngabafana. Ungawunanzelela ukuthi abafana, or let me say a male or a boy child, bayabe bengela that knowledge on how to be a better man, because everyone nowadays is focusing on a girl child. So here mina I'm just being that person to know, instead of ukuthi si focus more on a girl child, let's just give a boy child a chance. Because you realize ukuthi now we are producing a lot of junkies instead of real men. You understand? So those boys at some point, they don't even know how to live with a girl child. It's not something easy for them, ngoba they are not even taught how to do so. Yabo. So yikho lapho sokungena khona ukuthi give that boy child a chance. Anju. So even nxa sihamba kuma rights lapha kuthiwa let's go 50-50 sibili 50-50 when it comes to ama rights, but unga analyze deeply you'll find ukuthi I will say you're 50-50. Lapha kungathiwa kuyatoyitoywa lapha kutoyitelwa any boy child la oyayethuka la uzuthi lapha kunzima la, whereas uthola ukuthi into layo iyabe iqalise yaba wrong maybe from the female side of it, but ngenxa ukuthi ngumuntu ongumama 50% up engayenzi problem wena the moment maybe let's say you as defender kube self defense, it becomes difficult for people to understand ukuthi no, this was self defense. Kwenza isikhathi usungathi usu understandwa kwezinye indawo usuchayiwe kumbe sovele ejele.
Okay.
Uyabona?
So you're advocating for the boy child as well. In as much as we are saying, let's empower the girl child, let's give the girl child the more opportunities, economically, what, we mustn't forget the boy child.
True.
We also have still to also uplift the boy child as well, while least you are uplifting the girl child.
And
So
which is,
ukuphakamisa unkazana akutsho ukuthi umfana sokumele akhohlakala ngithi. Is that
amen
what
to
you're saying?
that.
Ah,
Yes.
okay, makes sense. Makes sense. It sounds like so ngezinye indlela from this conversation that we are having, I'm getting ukuthi there is a link between your sports career and your music career as well.
True that.
Ngoba
Kakhulu.
this song inspiration ivele kuma experiences that you are getting from the coaching job.
Right. Lovable is a love song. You understand?
Okay.
Right. Lovable is a love song. It's a track that is written based on a certain life or a love story of two people. Actually.
Your story.
Not necessarily my story.
It's a safe space. It's a safe space. Is it your story?
No,
Okay.
about my story, you are yet to hear them.
Okay.
Ziyabuya. Yes, zisazokuba ziningi.
Okay.
So, laphana nje benza ngithinta ama issues wala lawo ukuthi no at some point kulezinye izinto futhi enye gender based violence ungananzelela ilokuphuma through izinto eziyabe zikhulunywa ngabantu bakwanisa ukulixheka. Omunye umuntu like for example yakwanisa ukuthatha a certain thing that has been said there ebuye ezokutshela wena ingani siphume ngendlela e-wrong yabo. So that way you'll find ukuthi lo muntu lona ligcina lingasakhulumisani kahle.
Yeah, true.
Emotionally umunye umuntu esale drained yabona. So yikho sokungena khona lapho ukuthi no izinto ezinje you just sing about them upoint out ukuthi I know into ezinje silokuzibona zisenzakala ziyenzeka and abantu bephilisane so we-AIDS iphume ngendlela e-wrong ngoba singafaka abantu bebe ngo-3 la sithi akuphume untshele umuntu oyi-1 i-3 lines zibuya ezozinika lo ngapha ezozinika lo wena ube ngowesi-4 ukuthi uzizwe ziyabe sezi-edithekile khona mfana sokule distortion leqiniso selilincane. You understand?
Yeah, that's true.
So yikho khona lokho kunje kuyabe kuthintwa ngama-lyrics engoma yena leya. Yeah.
Okay. Any romantic songs?
That track is romantic.
Is it?
It is.
It doesn't sound romantic.
It is very romantic. Very.
Okay.
Because there are some lines that marriage iqala after kekele champagne usazowezwa manga you will face sharp pain.
Okay. So musically itholakala
So this track is yet to be released on the 21st of August.
21st of August.
Yeah. So ilaunch yankhona iyabihlanganisela lelo kuze le roast yebhoso. Mahlekisa. Yes.
Yeah.
So I'll be representing Zebras there. Mina. So yours truly will be representing Zebras as an artist ku roast yebhoso. So that's where I'm going to be performing this song as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now speaking of the other songs that you've
Yeah.
done.
Okay.
Ngibuza ukuthi Spotify, YouTube, where exactly can you?
Most of them are YouTube. So yikho kuhlanganisela khona ama-tracks like Abaprofeti because there are some other controversial tracks that I've done before, like when you're talking about izinto eziyabe zikhulunywa ngama-prophets. I know it's a very sensitive issue ngoba ungathinta indaba zokuthi ze-religion, it becomes a war. Abanye abantu they don't want to hear about such things. Whereas umfundi, I believe ukuthi akula mfundisi. Umfundisi nguJesu. The rest ngabafundi.
Oh.
You understand?
Okay.
Yes. Yeah. The rest is ngama-disciples. There's only one teacher. Is it? So teacher nguye umfundisa nje. Nguye umafundisa.
Okay.
And then so thina abanye including ama-pastors, including ama-bishops, singabafundi because we are all going for the same calling. I think Matthew ethi go ye and make disciples of all nations. So labo bangama-disciples. So ama-disciples ngama-followers of Christ. And so yeah ukuthi ngathi ngiyakhuluma into
It
le
sounds controversial. It does.
vele into yangikhona yiliyana yokuthi
does,
if you are breaking it down Andrew ngizibuze ezinye izinto lami ukuthi all right just imagine this thing ngabe kuthiwa saphila ngensuku zikaJesu ubone ucabanga ukuthi ngensuku leziyana wena kwakungaba lomunye umuntu wayehamba efake lama pictures abo Elijah labo Elisha one of the greatest prophets ke right yeah sesikukhuluma ke manje let's be realistic
A market advertise.
right uzokuthiwa uyibonile inqola yamadonki liyana yamabhiza liyana edlule lapha ibe namathisela istika sika Gideon kumbe sika bani bani you understand so now you'll be trying by all means to open amehlo abantu ukuthi no you guys you are now taking it too far this is more of like idolizing
Yes.
a person ngoba at some point you end up thinking ukuthi yabona la lo muntu lo nxa even uJesu engabuya namuhla la ethi no your pastor ulamanga lwana sengaphikisa uJesu lwana you understand so such things ngezinye yikho khona apha abantu abaningi abangena bethi mina ngiba too controversial ngiba too deep but I'll be simply stating the facts and standing for the truth.
Qiniso rap. Yeah.
Qiniso rap.
Yeah, it makes sense. It's controversial, but it makes sense. Lama have my own views, but they are not for this episode. Otherwise, besingaphikisana ilanga lonke, but yeah. Ngiyakuzwa ukuthi uthini. So now sesingena ku boxing.
Right.
Ngicela ukubuza uyashaya sibili?
Right.
Uyashaya sibili wena?
When it comes to boxing, ngike ngangena sibili for about 3 or 4 years ringing.
Professional boxing.
I-professional angingenanga as such bengu-amateur. But amateur, trust me, it's very, very painful as compared to professional. Kakhulu.
Yeah.
How so? Let me explain it to you. I-professional, uyakwanisa ukuthi ungene eringini maybe throughout the year ube lama games thina sikubiza sithi ngama games actually nani nithi ngama fights lapha uyabe usiyadlala sithi hayi le game lapha yakwazi uba lama games ayi3 throughout the year whereas i-amateur like currently lapha lokubona here in Zim akwanisa ukuthi throughout the year bengu almost 9 or 10 that means almost every
month, yes.
they will be
Kuyabe
ufiwa kakhulu futhi ayikhona kancane ungena lapha nje abonto so into yokuqala sokukuforce ukuthi le recovery yakho sokumele ibe up
wesi ku-amateur you're trying to prove something
exactly now just imagine ukuthi into leyana ibingakabi lama sponsors are serious ngesikhathi lesi lapha ngendlela okwakufiwa ngayo so I managed to talk to uLokuzene, technical director, the Stephen Masiambumbi is the one who taught me refereeing one coach. He taught me even coaching. They are now they are sponsors who are getting in now. So just imagine ukuthi there is someone who wants to prove himself ukuthi yena he is the best. Ngaleso sikhathi kulama sponsors amile lapha. Bekutshela ukuthi Jeki la ungawina imatch le oyawina nguye simthathayo.
Yes.
Imagine that person or your opponent yakho when umbona standing in front of your dream. How are you going to handle that? So I want to very
because I've seen I don't know if it's the same la lokho sikubone kuma TV and stuff where boxers they like it rage yabo it's evoked it's encouraged it's cultivated ukuthi when you're fighting so you have that anger that you want to release. So, I've seen that. I don't know if it happens. I'm remembering it because usukhuluma ngokuthi like the opponent is standing in front of your dream and now you want to get rid of
so whatever vele kube sokuphambi kwakho lapha uyabe usuchayela ukubulala and now because ugela khona even le strategy esama camps sona lesiyana at some point you need to camp abstain from any sexual activities.
Why?
Yeah. Oh my God.
But I've heard listen, I've heard sex is more of like a form of exercise. It makes you more. It's like jogging. Like you're more fit.
Whosoever told you that thing is lying.
Is it not an exercise?
All right, let me tell you.
Are you not
Let me
burning
te-
calories?
Let me tell you something. Right. When you are sexually active, that means the most active part of your body, yippee.
Well, it's a body part.
It
It depends with the type of.
Okay, mostly kuyabe kuyibheki kanje. Ibheki liyana nguye umuntu. Yikho ubona umuntu ezinye isikhathi aba le problem yespine. Vele abantu abaningi bahle bethi sokuchile. So ibheki liya kuyabe kumele ihlale ingekho exhausted. Ngoba izasebenza kakhulu. Kule ndlela zokuvika laphana, there is ducking, there is sidestepping, there is doing whatsoever. So ungahamba wena kuyikuthi even lelokhu zenini le aggression, what you release there during ama-sexual activities, it does count ngale. Ngoba kwesinye isikhathi, let's say if you take an animal, take for example a dog engakaze ihlanganele nje ekuhit, uyakuyibona ukuthi yabi hostile okunjani. Nikusiza kwesinye isikhathi uzwe kuthiwa umuntu nxa bekhuluma ngaye bethi leyi ilamatswayi. Antsho this is a no under 18 thing, antsho.
Oh, yes.
Into no under 18 leyi. Thank you. Right. Yikho usizwa kuthiwa umuntu uzwe kuthiwa wena uhlutshwa ngamatswayi. Umuntu wangikhona wonke uyabe le yinye engale yinye energy enye serious. So yikho usizwa kwesinye isikhathi uzothiwa
you are preserving that energy.
Yebo.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah.
Kufunda kuphela. So when we see those boxers laphana, indlela yabo ichayile lapha.
Waqala.
Okay, let's move on. Okay. All right. So boxing, why again? Are you still doing the games or what?
Right. Boxing, when I left boxing, I didn't totally leave it. I just left a ring part of it. And then again, now to just show you ukuthi izinto zonke engizenzayo is sort of a circle, like number one, I did boxing due to depression. Yeah. So depression yathi ichayile. At some point kwafika isikhathi ukuthi ngathi ngikhuluma lawe, so ukhuluma lami, so switch it off. The moment ukhuluma wena uzuthi ngitheni ngiyethuke futhi ngazwanga lutho. Yes.
Okay.
So I then ngahamba idela ngikhona ngilo mjokes Skies Metro.
Yamazi.
Yeah. Kwakule tournament yayisesizinda and I was supposed to perform there. Nje ngifika lapha ngabe ngisiyayibona yona iboxing. After that, then I realized ukuthi another guy ohlala eduze la ngikhaya.
Which year was
He's a
this?
boxer. It was about 2019, there about 2020. Yeah, my days before COVID komba.
Okay.
So then ngakhuluma lo mntwana, no guy, I just want to do this. What okay sharp. Fike ngelanga elinje so wantshela indawo ngahamba fica kungela abantu ngamfonela ngabamba ngifoni bantshela ukuthi abantu laba after tournament babhedwa yela ngelingaka ngahamba futhi ngathola kungela abantu ngathola ezinye zazizoyenza ikhosi eceleni omunye wathi hayi number zomunye umjito etshona lapho ngubox ongucoach lezi thatha la ngafonela that guy wathi fika ngeWednesday. Ngifika Wednesday yangikhona ngatrainwa ngomunye umjita futhi layo onguboxer, mina I thought he is the coach. Khafula udendo olungaka so kwaqubuka inyongo. Kwaba ngokunye. Ngwahlala utsho umntwana wathi abanye kababuyanga. Kwahlala ngabe siyabuya next week yangikhona. Ngathola kunje so. Abantu bebaningi. Lapha ngaqalisa ngazisola so ngathi madoda, what have I gotten myself into? sagijima into engakazi ibonakale ngaphula i-hamstring otshomi labana ngiphula i-hamstring hayi madoda selilimele la gijima unjalo ukuze azokuphole ngagijima for about close to a week yazi yaphula yodwa zwi ngabona ukuthi vele lapha la kuyafiwa la okay fine jove ngifundiswa ama-punches i-basic utsho mntwana nguye ngucoach we-national team lakathi singuye futhi olokho ngucoach we-national team then we went singase ngitrainer e-area niphinde nitraine la the other day sathi sihlezi ngezwa ukuthi ibuye lonke kusasa post egroupini kule ZBC wena kwabuya abantu bebaningi so ZBC ungayibona kwabe kuthiwa ya vele besikwazi so sathi sifika babe sifakele okuyilokhu zenini okuyiring laphana bafaka amakhoni thwali tshona litrainer namhla sifuna ukubona ispari yikho lapho ke manje ngabona khona ukuthi izibhayira zibuhlungu.
Were you a good fighter before?
Yes. Vele mina ngikhula naturally into zokulwa lezi. Uthi twa imbalo cha isikolo sonke iclass yonke lokho. Angikhuleki ikho lokho bendluleki ikho.
No, so kulo kuyi background yana kwelokho zethu.
Leni background yakho lena isebenzi lapha. Trust me.
So even if you are on zero, you can start doing that.
I mean, I do believe that anyone can be a boxer given enough time and right training.
Okay. Unfortunately, you haven't met my co-host. His name is General Leslie, if you know him.
Okay.
Ngibuzela yena ukuthi engxenye la esengakhona phana but kala lutho ezandleni.
Liana. Laphana siyabe sifuna umuntu ongakhulumiyo vele okhuluma ngezandla nje ngezimumumu lapha.
I'm trolling, okay? Okay, so we have you we have you in soccer, we have you in boxing.
Yes.
Okay. Ngizwa ama rumors ukuthi taekwondo futhi lakho ukhona. Is it true?
Hayi. Angikho taekwondo.
Okay, and what else? What else?
Okay, when it comes to that, I do life coaching futhi as well. So I'm a life coach as well. So yonke into yami, the whole point is about trying to inspire before you expire. Yeah, understand.
Lovely.
So whosoever nje kuphela I do believe ukuthi whosoever obuya close to me must at least get a leaf of positivity. Yabona. You get something new or something to embrace ukuthi okay ngake ngafika endaweni enje ngachayisana lo muntu nje wakhuluma ukuthi and okuyinto lokho kuyasebenza. Yabona. So yeah, that's what I'm pushing for. So I run a gym there, Kauterpark.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
Because ama gyms mostly abangapha town kusiza ngapha ngama suburbs and stuff. We rarely see gyms, functional gyms in Malowichin. So I think you're doing a good job. I think you're doing a good job.
Yeah, we're trying. Yeah.
Okay, now enough about work, enough about serious things. Can you tell me, I'm not seeing a ring there. I'm not seeing a ring. Are you customarily married? Are you married or what? You never know. And Chilwati, this is one of the biggest podcasts.
Yes, it's one of the biggest podcasts.
So you never know who's watching.
Right? So, and if I expose myself, ukuthi ngi-single or ngi-married,
you know what?
One way or another, it's going to be a positive and a negative thing at the same time.
Let me tell you something. One, it's a safe space. Number two, if you are not married, you are single. So are you married? Yes or no?
So whosoever is watching this thing, uzazikhethela.
Ngoba anti married kulaliyane le ring.
Yes.
Kulengela. So mina ngifuna ukuzwa ukuthi are you married or you are not married?
Both. somewhere there.
Sifuna uJonas la. Sifuna umuntu ophumele egcekeni, but anyway, I'm going to respect your privacy. Although I would have loved to know and let the viewers know ukuthi you never know. Enxe labo sebengadopa.
No, I'm not married.
You're not married.
Yeah.
Thank you. Babukeli, he is single. Okay. As long as you're not married, you're single.
Yeah,
So
true that.
yeah, thank you so much. I think, is there anything else that you want to let people that are watching know about you as a professional, about you as a musician, as a sports person? Is there anything else that you want abantu ababukeleyo to know, or do you have any message for them?
Okay, yeah, the message that I can give to the people is that let's try to balance things, like to balance, especially when it comes to the issues of kids. Another thing, I've got coaches like coming from different schools, abanye ndokuba bambela for fitness. As I speak, I've got 2 kids who have come out of these ends, abaphume last week, yeah. Baya abase Denmark kathesi, just for
wow.
ilokuzeni ibhora kuphela, just isoccer. So babe ku Las Palmas ese Denmark. So I try by all means mina to balance ukuthi regardless of ilokuzeni race, tribe or whatever, wonke umntwana is a blessing, and asizame nini ukuthi umntwana ongumfana la isike simfake simcabangile. Let's think deeper about that. Singabi ngabantu ababa one-sided. Ngoba you teach a boy, if you are training a boy properly, just know that you are raising a responsible man. Which is the reason why I am at Zebras again. Ngoba nxa kungaphuma one player khona lapha kuyikuthi li good enough. Just imagine umuntu lwana is going to be able to take care of his wife. Ngoba konke khona lokhu ngakwenza mina, even into ezabo life coaching, as I mentioned earlier. So you groom that boy. You need to be a responsible man. You need to be a responsible brother. You need to be a responsible child. So meaning to say, he's going to take care of his wife, family, siblings. So umuntu oyi-one laphana ongumfana, uyamthola ukuthi maybe yena singamkhipha, let's say, ephume out of poverty, uyabe ephume le-6 ka-1. Ukhipha omunye futhi usukhiphe 12. Imagine ungakhipha ababe ngu-100, that automatically mean save 600 lives. You understand? So khona lokhuyana abadala nyabe ngikho ngifisa ukuthi bekwenze becabangela labantwana bangabafana.
Amazing. So there you have it, guys. You teach the boy how to be the man, a responsible citizen. Eh?
Yes.
Yeah, so there you have it. And also, kuthiwa, kuthiwani, the name of the song?
Lovable.
No, the one that we are launching on the 21st.
Ngoyu lovable.
You love
Lovable.
not the boy child one.
Give that boy child
Give
a
that boy
chance.
child a
I think it's going to be an EP or an album. I'm not sure.
Oh, okay.
Because there are some of the things that we are going to take there. Sizifake amanyama tracks. Like there are some other tracks ezikhuluma about the things that are happening about Russia and all that. Like whereby the pressures that the kids are going through and others are family members that are going through. Imagine umuntu uyabesukela lapha essay trying ukuthi phandeli family. Then ngale sokukhala into zabo Dudula lan. After that, we've got amanye ama-candidates esiwaziyo thina awanga already. They've proceeded ba ezintweni zela leziyana zokuthi sebesiyajoyina the Russia-Ukraine war. So such things ngezinye that are yet to I'm addressing as well.
Okay, yeah.
Go give that boy child a chance.
You're addressing important issues, because ile indaba yokuthi people are going to Russia, it's a very important issue, and it's an emotional one.
Yeah.
So I think you're on the right path, and hopefully you will distribute it soon enough. But guys, Lovable is being launched on the 21st of August. Where we roast. Where is the venue?
Large City Hall.
Large City Hall.
Yeah.
So Large City Hall, be there. don't miss it until izwile ukuthi ingoma lezi esikhuluma ngazo izingoma ezikhulumayo izingoma ezile information izingoma ziyenza ziya-advocate
Yeah.
ziyakhuthaza
Yes.
ziya-spread the-message
Yeah.
so make sure ukuthi ukhona ama-tickets asithe imalini
Ama-tickets I'm not sure yet ukuthi ayimalini bengakatholi information, so I'm yet to confirm, and then we'll get but if you follow the page Mahlekisa and if you check properly, even ku-Highlanders, I'll post it as soon as I
you
get them.
let us know also ukuthi ama-tickets awe imalini so that we can also tell our viewers. So there you have it, babukeli. Besilo Black Heat ukhuluma izinto eziqhakathekileyo, ukhuluma into esiphila phakathi kwazo and esizibonayo. So would you like to share how people can get in touch with you? Is it social media? Is it a phone number? What is it?
Okay, on Facebook it's Black Heat Lunga, which is BLECKHIT. So my
Black Heat Lunga.
Yes, you just eliminate A, black lwana ekhala, ufake
okay,
E,
okay.
and then ziyathatha nakhona pha. And then on TikTok the same thing, but on TikTok very into abazazithola mostly bayabona even ama-sessions awe physiotherapy even though waposta ku-TikTok kakhulu. And then ku-TikTok lakho futhi it's same thing, Black Heat Lunga. You just eliminate the E and then the A ufake u-E, so BLECKHIT. And then my phone numbers ngiyasebenzisa even on WhatsApp. There's nothing to hide. I'm a very open guy okhuluma everything that you need to know, even when it comes to health issues, because I discovered that when it comes to my issues of health, a lot of people they hold back just because you have ubona umuntu ubona ubone imali. Uthola ukuthi abantu they delay the process ukuthi umuntu kabe fully healed esebona ukuthi no, this is my money there, umuntu ethi hamba lapha, but mina I operating le 3-month rule yami. That's for abantu abastrokileyo. So in 3 months ngiyakubuyelela futhi ngubuza ukuthi right after 3 months sisessionile la, are there any changes owabonayo? Is there any progress? Are we winning? Wena ngokwakho mina ngingakakutshela kwami uzwa njani? Then after that umuntu engasho ukuthi hayi lapha kunje. Wena ubona kungcono ukuthi isiqhubeke kumbe hayi, kumbe uzadinga another physician ombona ngathi ngakusiza ngcono yini?
Well, that's honest communication, but it sounds so mean.
No, yazi into lani njana nje. Mina I'm one person owafunda ukuthatha iqiniso ukuthi kulamabala mina engawadondiwe ngawaziliwe ukukhuluma. Black ngicela ifoni leyi amfuni. Akuyenzi.
It's open and transparent, but it sounds mean.
Mina khona lokhuyana manje bonke abantu embaseshinisayo siqayisa sibe kwesinye isikhathi beke bebhode kuma-counseling sessions because there are people abayenza i-counseling lana bekubonise, and mina yakutshela ukuthi go straight to the point ngoba at some point uyathola kumelelwe ngabantu abaningi kumele mba-attende, so singabe silokhu esidlala ngamabala siyagcina singaqedanga into esiyenzayo. So after that umuntu attenda umattende 3 months time umbuze uzizwa njani. So sesibuyela kathesi sibona i-feedback, we review the whole process, umtshengisa umuntu like ama-videos akhe wona waqalela la wabala though ezinye amanye ama-videos wona la benganithiwa sensitive kakhulu, kulomunye umuntu akabalayo mina wabuya ngesikania but sehamba kathesi. So I didn't post that thing. Ngabuzwa abantu ukuthi indaba ongapostanga before wangikhona. Then mina ngaphendula ngathi akuhluphi lokho. Mana wena kugule ubaba bakho umbumama wakho sizamrecorda si-uploade. Wayikho umuntu usitshela si-uploade umbaba lo mama omunye umntwana.
Okay, yeah. It makes sense. You're respecting your clients. You're respecting the privacy of your clients.
Yes.
Isithunzi sabo and all that. So it really makes sense. So thank you so much for tuning in. Bakithi lingakhohlwa ke sesisiya emaphethelweni ngoba isikhathi sethu sesidliwe ngumangoye. Please do bring your cars for cleaning, premium car detailing at Royal Shine Car Wash along 4th Street between Masocha and Connaught Avenue. And also, do not forget that Deb3 Events is your trusted partner when it comes to events planning and media management. Do get in touch with Deb3 using the contacts akhona lapha on screen if you need our services. And also, I forgot to mention that we have a studio and a rehearsal space khona lapha at Deb3. So get in touch with Deb3 nxa ungulwana ofuna ukusiphekela ingoma. Get in touch with Deb3 Events wenze ukuthi uthole even ama services that have to do with music production. So thank you so much for tuning in ku Enkundleni Exclusive. See you again, same place next time.
Wozani nabangane lapho sikhulume zabantu indaba esekudwini lapho sicubungula umhlaba enkundleni sicubungula indaba esekudwini